Portland was established in 1988 as a proudly South African company. A company built on reliability, consistency, and long-term customer relationships. Our core operations include quarrying, aggregate supply, drilling and blasting, ready-mix concrete, and precast hollow core decking and walling systems, supporting major construction, civil, and infrastructure projects across the Western Cape. Over the years, we've expanded both capacity and capability to meet industry demands while maintaining the flexibility and customer-focused approach that set us apart. So most of our equipment run on a 10-hour life cycle. Some of the equipment that's got a higher productivity or higher intensity environment would be cycled out a little bit sooner. Babcock helps us with the calculation on the total cost of ownership and help us decide when is the best time to cycle these machines out. Babcock consistently goes above and beyond the normal expectations. In my experience, they truly prioritize customer relationships and operational understanding. Their senior management's always accessible and only a phone call away, which speaks volumes about their commitment. The Babcock staff that I work with on a regular basis makes the effort to understand our immediate operation pressures, assess our equipment requirements, and accommodate us whenever possible. Beyond this, Babcock continuously drives partnership improvement across all staff levels, something I truly appreciate. Dealing with a Babcock team on a professional level is actually quite fun. These guys are professional and you get communication straight. They've got a culture of supporting the customer and helping the customer achieve what they need to achieve. Working with Babcock, operational downtime, knowing exactly what your operational cost would be, and reliable machines are definitely a great input into the company, and it helps us to be stable and to be able to grow. There's a lot of suppliers in the market. I think once you work with Babcock, you would exactly understand why it's worthwhile to work with a company like this. And the support is something from out of this world. There's not a lot of companies in South Africa that can give you the backup and support that you get from Babcock.